Alright guys, so naata diri sa DFC na may IKEA and gusam to diri.
Kuan lang, wakal-wakal.
Wakal-wakal mi kay basin unya magsakay-sakay no mi. Char lang. Tanahala na to. If na ay moyunan si Madam.
Ako good.
Si Madam. Okay. So my name is Atbang ay. Arami sa Atbang, kanya Atbang. Bang, nabay mo yun nan. Char.
Charot.
Sige, bye.
Nandito within the budget. And then aside from that, within the budget, but of course within good quality.
Of course, we're in the right place.
Hindi siya tantad.
Gusto may mong pangita, criteria ni mo.
First is SUV within the budget. Good brand, good quality, affordable future.
Affordable future?
I mean, affordable future maintenance.
Okay. Like repair. Alright guys, so nanata sa Alphatay Motors. Nanata na shopping. Kanan, nindot na. Siya. Pero tanawang specs.
2017. One under warranty siya.
The warranty pa siya.
Fog light, child locks, remote central.
And it's a Duster.
The Duster, 55 kilometers.
44. 700 per month.
Pero ako dito.
Nindot.
Hindi pa siya sila diya.
Saan natin specs ba?
Same na itong gitan.
2018.
Hindi pa siya.
Okay pa mo sa body.
2018?
Oo, 2018. Hey guys, dito kami sa isang car show. Dito kami at nagtitingin sa sasakyan. Smile. Nagtitingin siya ng sasakyan. So, dito kami sa Tesla. Oh, nag-ghost lagi ka? Saan mo yung i-check? Sud, balik. Saan may mga i-consider ni mo? Now. Ha? Ano ba? Interior. Leather. Okay.
Diba? Nice rin ka.
Naman sa ilam. Mo ba? Okay.
Sunod daw ka.
Sulod ko? Yan na.
Yeah. Is this the lowest
Just fully gets your seat. Put them down. That side, the right side. okay for you back? Okay. Now it's okay. All right. This is to me. Okay. Good. Now it's okay. It's fine. Sit down. Now it's okay. Good. Right here. So here, okay. Here's this one. Okay. You can place that there. Right? This is the left side, this is the right side. Okay? Fix it well. Please, sir.
Oh, okay.
Have a seat.
May. Okay na?
You're not what? You want to stop?
Break. Yeah,
Yes,
I
okay.
just want to.
Yeah, feel free.
Yeah.
Yes, feel free.
So if you were, okay, I'm sure you have a car. If you
Yeah, I
were
have a
going
car.
to-
Yes.
Are you going to recommend this aside from like sales?
Stop here. Stop here. Stop. Stop. Totally stop. Totally stop. Take right.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Take right. Take right. Yes. Park the car here. In the parking. Exactly. Yes. 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 Right. That's good. That's good. All right. Now put the stop. Yes. Put the revert. The revert. No, this one.
Oh.
Always push on this one.
Oh,
Yes.
what's the use for this?
This for the if you want to use the manual one.
Ah, so
Yes,
I can
manual
do
gear.
manual
Yes,
also.
you can go for manual gear too.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Neutral, reverse.
Yes, I want you to check the camera. Yes. Now go back. The camera is not coming dirty.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, no, the camera is not coming.
Yeah, it's a bit
Yes, dirty.
blurry, no?
Yes. Yes. Yes, that's it.
I always.
Yes. Go, 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 go. Feel free.
Yeah.
Yes. Feel
Nobody's
free.
there anyways.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the brake.
All right.
Now you're feeling it.
Yeah.
Yes. Go, go, go. Feel free. Take one more round. Yeah. Take one more round. Yes. Driving good?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Go. Take one more round. Yes. Go. Yeah.
I like it.
Yes. In the car.
What else do you want me to do? Well, I'm new, sir, huh?
Huh?
So I
No, no, no,
never,
really.
I
See,
never owned the
Take it.
car.
Yeah. Take it. Take it from me. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Whatever you want to purchase, if you want to purchase anything, this is your right, okay? To take it to go for test drive, even the food also, you can test it, okay? You like it, go ahead. You don't like it, no, I don't like it. Yes.
So the sparks, how about the sparks? I mean, parts for this.
That's,
Parts.
that's fair part.
Yes.
We are a big company, okay? We have service center, okay? We have a service center. It's okay, it's happening. Next time when you get next time, you can remember it, okay? If you have any problem, okay, because I'm gonna give you warranty, okay? If you have any problem, you can send email, okay? To Vista Motors at customerservice.com, okay? Immediately they'll cooperate with you, okay? If the car is not working, we have a tow truck, okay? They will send it to your home, okay, to take the car.
Okay.
Like we're not just selling the car and that's it. No. Yeah.
Take care after.
Yes. We take care of ourselves. Yes.
Last one.
Yeah. Yes. Now
How about that sound?
now you're trying. Yes. Now you are getting your confidence.
Yeah.
Yes.
That sound is a bit, you know,
Who's sounding?
when
Won't you?
when I speed it.
Uh-huh. No, this is normal.
It's normal.
Yeah, this is normal. This is normal. If there is issue, I will not give warranty.
Okay.
Yeah, for 1 year. Yeah. People they give warranty only for 1 day. After the problem is having said no, it's not our problem. But we give warranty for 1 year. Yes, here.
Oh, it's here.
Oh yeah, it's okay. You can park here left side.
Oh.
You can park here. Yes.
feel this angle.
Yeah, go straight. Go a little bit. Yes. Right. Yes, that's it.
So,
And a little bit walking. Okay.
alright.
And this is the it has Apple CarPlay.
How was it?
Lovely. You're back inside the
Oh,
car.
yeah. I'm thinking I have to bring this down.
Something on the light.
Okay, kanang ano siya. Tinitingnan niya na yung kotse kung okay ba. Ngayon namin si Mr. Muhammad, check niya. Ito yung shop, Tesla. So, check namin kung okay pa. Makakatapos na namin mag-test drive at okay naman yung sasakyan. Well, hindi naman ako nag-drive, siya nag-drive, pero okay sa Tesla. So, titingnan namin kung okay siya sa presyo din at tingnan natin kung makukuha natin tonight. Okay. Well, keep you posted, of course. Thank you. So, unsa man, after that test drive, unsa yung feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay, unsa man me. Out na mi sa Tesla. And this is the shop.
Ato ano, ng Chevy.
Nya. Chevy.
Pre-owned, na ba yun day?
Ang ending kay sa presyo. Magtanaw po mi sa presyo. If kaya sa budget. Okay, tanaw na to.